Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I can create a colorful glow effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste this like so, and I'm just going to go and select cutout, and I'm just going to select chroma key and select the kind of background and just kind of adjust the strength to around here. You can even add in a shadow if you want. Like so, and then you're going to just put it on top of the video like that. And then I'm just going to go to effects, and I'm going to add the edge glow 2 times at 100%, like that. I'm just going to copy and paste that. Select all of this, right click and select create compound clip. Go to basic and choose a filter that you think is best for the image. I'm going to choose hard light, but I'm going to turn the opacity down a little bit. I'm actually just going to see which one suits it the best. I'm going to choose this, and then I'm just going to go to adjustments, and I'm just going to select custom adjustments, and then I'm going to add it on top, and then I'm going to put this all the way to the right and also the green color to make a green neon like glow effect like so. If the blend mode is too tough, you can choose color burn. It will make it a little bit more realistic, and as you can see here, it blends in more with the video. But yeah, that is basically it for this video. Super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!